They said it was a miracle anyone could survive.
We've had a plane crash here just south of Winter Haven Airport.
Florida rescue teams found the plane's wreckage wedged into a bedroom.
Crashed into a house.
A family of 6 was home when the twin CB plunged to the ground. The pilot, James Wagner, killed on impact. Student pilot, former Navy SEAL Timothy Sheehy, kicked his way out of the mangled metal and reached a teenager pinned by the plane, using his shirt to stop her bleeding.
It was a blessing today that we didn't have an entire family wiped out.
All 6 inside the home survived, the left engine reportedly failing on takeoff, but not the instincts of this veteran who jumped in to help after falling from the sky. Miguel Almaguer, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.